itutuloy ko lang yung lesson ko. Well, so, kung kanina is harmony, ngayon naman texture. So, adding na natin sa dito basa.
Texture refers to the blending and manipulating of different sounds and melodic lines happening simultaneously in music. Texture can also be generally perceived as the number of voices or instruments used and how these are manipulated to create variations in the thinness and thickness of sound layers, either by adding or reducing pipes or employing variations in timbre and other means. Textures may also be imitative or non-imitative.
So, itong texture is, ito yung sinatawag na thickness or thickness of sound. So, itong texture is tumutukoy sa number of sound. So, example na lang is yung pag kinanta yung Lupang Hinirang, di ba? Meron yung a cappella lang, and then meron naman yung, di ba, may nagigitara, and then may kumakanta. Yun yun. Tapos meron din yung piniperform nila ng iba't ibang tono. May mababa, may tapos yun. Ganun yung texture. So, gets po?
Yeah.
Thinness and thickness. So, number 2 naman is ostinato. So, ostinato is a short, consistently repeated pattern found all throughout a piece of music or in one of its sections. It is evident in African music. So, itong ostinato, di ba yung ginawa nating activity, yung stamp, clap. So, ganun yun, di ba? Paulit-ulit lang yun. So, pattern siya. So, meron tayong dalawang categories ng ostinato, which is rhythmic and then melodic. So, pag rhythmic is yung rhythm lamang siya. And then, yung rhythmic yung ginawa nyo kanina is yung stamp, clap, yun yung stop, body movement. And then, yung melodic naman is rhythm and then melody na. Ang yun ay kinukombine na word ay music. Meron ng mababa, may mataas na. Ito, ostinato, alam niyo, we will rock you.
We will rock you. Pinagawa ni
Yun, gano'n. Alam niyo yan. Gano'n yung example ng ostinato. Repeat pattern lang siya.
Okay. Ostinato.
Next is descan. In music, descan can have more than one meaning. Generally, a descan is the highest voice in a composition, usually separatedly uniquely from the other voices. Descan may also mean counterpoint or the harmonic relationship between multiple voices in a song. So, itong descan is isang himig na inaawit kasabay sa mataas na melodiya, ngunit kaiba sa paunahin. So, example nito is yung choir. Diba? Yung sa choir. Sa choir is, yung babae, ay yung lalaki, kunwari is yung alam niyo yung, basta yung kunwari,
tenor?
Yung gano'n yung, ano ba sa'yo? Alam niyo? Yung makapal na boses nila.
Tenor?
Bass. Tenor.
Basta yung
Bass?
Bass. Yung do. Tapos ulit-ulit ang do. O, ganyan. Tapos habang yung mga girls naman, sila yung kakanta. Ito yung sinasawag na descan. O kaya, meron yung, kunwari, kakantay natin yung Leron Sinta. Itong first line is kakanta nila yung Leron Sinta. And then yung ito naman, pagkatapos yung kumanta ng first sentence, susunod naman sila. Gets?
Okay.
Ginawa na natin ito kay Ma'am May.
Namin.
Ginawa nyo. Basta yung ginawa niya, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na descan. Next. Sa texture, meron tatlong variation. Monophony, polyphony, and homophony. So, pag monophony, music that consists only one of single melodic line without any background support or accompaniment. So, mono means one and phone is voice. ano lang siya, a cappella. Example natin na lang yung lupang hinirang. Kakantahin sa monopony. A cappella lang siya. And then, example din ito is yung one person whistling a tone. Alam niyo yung whistle, ganyan. Tapos inaano yung lupang hinirang. O kaya, any song. Ganyan lang yun. Isang ganyan lang. And then, ganyan lang. And then, next naman is polyphony. Music that consists of several melodic lines combined simultaneously. These melodic lines are usually treated equally in importance and interest. So, poly means many and phone means voice. Polyphony. So, ang example nito is ano? Ito na yung sabay-sabay na. Madami ng boses. Gets niya?
Yes.
Maraming sa boses. Combine na sila.
One.
Ito yung homophony naman, lines of texture wherein one melodic line or part is given primary interest and it's given as subordinate supporting accompaniment. Ito naman is yung homo, same. And then phone is voice.
Mono, one, poly, homo, same.
Ito na yung ano, yung lupang hinirang with accompaniment. Sabay na. Sabay na. Gets na ba?
Yes.
Okay, yun lang po. Thank you.